Talk to me, numbers never lie. Add it up, that's me. I said 23.
Hello guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to do the comic effect that we have seen just in the intro. For this you need two tools, one an editing tool. Any editing tool would work. For example, you can take CapCut, Premiere Pro, DaVinci. Any basic editing skills is required. And the second thing is Higgsfield AI, which is a AI video generation platform. We need subscription of that and you get free credits too if you want to do it. So this is the intro video I want. So I have few clips of me shopping with the dog, playing, partying, again partying, then chilling. So the intro I want is to show me it's for my vlog. So the objective is to show people the lifestyle which I'm living in. We'll save this video first. So I just say input. Here it's output. I go to export video and then I choose the range as source in, source out. Video is ready. I think let's rename it as raw intro and we'll just export it right in the folder where we want. Perfect. Now what we'll do, I'll open Higgsfield AI, and here, so I'm already logged in. And so if you see the infrastructure of the front end, you'll see all the trending things on the explore tab here, right? So we have to find the comic style. I think mixed media studio. Yeah, in this mixed media studio, this one. So yeah, right here. So if you go to change here, you have all these different templates. This is a sketch version. This is a canvas version, like looks like a Brazilian vibe. Then here it's scientific. So what we're gonna do is we want the comic style. So we're gonna search here. Here we go, Flash comic. Here it is. So we selected this. On the left hand side, we'll get this tab where you can see which style you have selected. And I have already attached the video. The style is Flash comic. Here's your video. The resolution is 4K. And then hit generate. You have to wait for some time. It takes like 10-12 minutes. Waiting. Here we go. I think it's done. Here we go, guys. So we have this video here. Then see. Artistic stuff. So what you're gonna do now, we'll open the Premiere Pro and we're gonna upload this clip right here in the timeline so that we can like add the music and stuff. And for the link, I'll attach the link in the comments too so that you can directly go to Higgsfield. I was not able to find the correct audio, so I downloaded a video. So finally, after some editing, we are ready with the video. Looks like this right now. So what I've done is I identified the beats, and at the beats I'm doing this transition. See, here's a beat. So now we have a transition here, then a small fade, then again next beat, the next transition. So similar in this way. And that's it. So if you want to learn more about AI videos, how to make money with AI, subscribe to this channel. I'll be pumping out more content so that you guys can stay relevant. Let me run it back again. Here's the output.
Talk to me, numbers never lie. Add it up, that's me. I said 23.
That's all. See you guys. Bye bye.